often use physical library. I often use library when I have written at work. Wow, is that honesty or suddenly you not ready to? Yes, I do. I really love without her. What about visual parenting? At first, I'm not so into reading. I use sometimes, but some Celopedia. That's good.